Watch lapho wona bafethu lapho sibhekike lona msibhekana inkap zonke siphelele lana and radio DR.co.za.
Don't believe the hype, so you out for the night. Turn up with the besties, stress free. Let's see, hair's done, nails did, face beat sexy. Met a new man, but he really ain't your type. Don't feel guilty, I like what you like. Me, I'm low key, don't need no attention. I came through the exit, smoking and drinking. Temperature, proud track suit on my hue. Hang around with me, make your man lose his cool. Too fly, the kid, the chemistry stupid. Young fly Jedi, young jumbo Jaeger bomb ball, started smoking the air. You doing your thing, independent and flexing, thinking, escaping with me is the best thing. I can get you anything that you like.
Style, and I'm not a daily style. I'm still daily style. Daily style, and I'm not a daily style. I'm still daily style. Daily style, and I'm not a daily style. I'm still daily style. My phone on me now. Daily style, and I'm not a daily style. I'm still daily style. My phone on me now.
Reporting live again on radio DR.co.za. Reporting live again, it's your boy MJ holding it down. Shout out to my nigga Usfiso. Shout out to Sabel, executive producer. Shout out to Monkolov. Shout out to my player partner, my bestie, my nigga, my brother, my loved one, Usfiso, Inja Enge. Unto engane, mawungashanje isikhuni dogama, awusayingane. Dogama ubachazele bese. Wasikanjani? Hayi mina ikhe ngiyazi.
Nazi nje siyafana.
Sebisazofa umbona umi ngoSeptember ngadlali ngiqhazi nobheki. Kodwa dogama so awubachazele ukuthi ubani yabo bani Usfiso nje Usfiso wenzani as a nigga.
Okay, so Usfiso fethu okay, Usfiso fethu umjida welo ja weDarkHour bo udesign by Kingfisher bo. Usfiso kahle mfethu.
Ushaya nje design.
Yeah, ushaya graphic yabo ama cover art, ama poster yabo nani and then umiseke shaya clothing yabo.
Kodwa phela clothing yona engenisini. Clothing yona engenisa into yokuhle.
Kodwa phela ayakangeni ngalo ndlela kodwa izongena soon.
Just to give abantu i-background, uSifiso beso mhlawumbe saqala ukuspana na 2014 isenza iikipa ze-Young Fly shit, and then I was like, fuck dog, asenza iikipa zomlazi, because I think that's what, like, angazi ngisibona iskipa somlazi, and then saqala-ke, and then why kwakhe history in the emba basikopela abanye namanje basasikopela namanje basasikopela dokhaviphi. But damn it, I keep us some love, some legendary shit.
I got some love in the it's DarkHour. Ngazi bayibitha kanjani, but umbrella company almost. And I'm mhlawumbe ngafaka ama-brand amaningi, enama-brand amaningi engaphansi kwawo. Noma ngichaza indlela right. Because wonke umuntu uvumelekile ukuthi afike mhlawumbe idea walo nto kusho ukuthi mhlawumbe abangikwenza into kanje wena ngifuna ukuthi ungifile i-tag yakho ungiphushele yabona into kanjalo, so nangithi ngifuna ukuyenza into kanjalo futhi isayo yona into kanjalo nani ukunephara upho ku ne-food tag upho maningi ne-type maningi first maningi amanye ayesendleleni.
But the most famous one, I think, is
Ipara nomlanga.
Yona phela bese esidla
yeah, you only just fighting you.
Yena sidla kakhulu into mzonova le dokha.
Vele sasiplanile solo ukuthi hayi yazini ngoba vele ishandisi le umuntu uyakwazi ukuthi azenzele enzinye inyuku yamanje asenze ngayo yabona.
Shout out to executive producer to Affected. Now interview years interview Affected now years but like tell us about the inspiration like behind the DarkHour or when did you get, because I think you CEO now, so I registered company and get like a boss nigga, young black bosses. When I saw you registered in the company. So I was trying to come with you when like it became that serious to the point where like register in company and that.
That's the company ngangazama ukuregister and then iyathatha iminyaka idakhile into khona mistake yenzeka yabo, so ngangazi kodwa vele imali ngasengikhiphile and then ngahlangana nomuntu 2x Nduna
all over in China.
Yeah. I'm yazi bro, yazi kwenza into kanje amjida asiqale kabusha yabo, ndisaqala kabusha sisayenza kodwa angakayiqede actually kahle kusashoda amafire amba.
CEO talk, young black bosses.
Okay.
All of them bonke CEO producer Ben. Reporting live again. Shout out to my nigga CeeLo, Deeply Rooted Radio. You can subscribe anywhere: Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Podbean, YouTube, Ngakini. So tell us about like the pop-up shops you've attended, like the best niggas you've hustled with, am I event or you've been a part of, like you hang out,
sahamba ama-event that's abantu abasha ama-event hang-out namanye maningi before i-hangout akhona namanye kodwa in terms ukuthi ngihambe ama-event ngisho ama-pop-up shop kukhona engazama ukuyihamba ngabona ukuthi abantu bathanda izinto lezi ey'lula yabo, because mina ngilo muntu othanda ukuba original ukuthi emenza iskippa asenze from scratch, umuntu emenza into ayenzele from scratch yabo. So ukuhamba ama-event abantu abadayisa amakepisi uthole usuthi abuthengile yabo nami udayisa i-tracksuit ayithengile yabo mina ngizame nje ukuthi ngizame ukuba original yabo yabo akuzona iy'mpahla zami ukuthi ngihamba
own it, dog, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Sure.
So that's like the different products you have. Personal universal. Now imagine ngiyazidinga nje. Khombe sedakakho lengizodla ngasiyingane.
Yeah, please. If it is iziningi izinto sengingazenza like iziningi.
Like okay, fine. Ipara, the bucket hat.
Yeah.
Kube the DarkHour bag. I think it's comes with the cost just like the DarkHour backpack. And enjoy fuck. Khona nje singe was posted last day we bet there ngamje usenzela mina. Esinsimple dog. Oh manga khala ngathi
ngangithi ngithongana mina lesingathi ama-pesh.
No khona singe dog. Khona singe sasigreen.
No akuse into mabantu manone emsebenzana la.
Shout out to Manu.
Shout out to Manu ngiyabonga lapho asengisaphothile yena kaningi. That's for ipara ama-fanny pack ama-backpack bazokhona impahla yami ethi-type i-type fethu kahle negama iyazi type I would type a local type like typing on a computer on a keyboard.
Type but inhlobo.
Yeah, yini inhlobo yakho. Wena kuyukuthi ngithatha kanjani ke ukuthi type yami yabo.
Type yami my yellow bone, big booty mom, caramel lady.
Type yakho izengayona type yakho kodwa umuntu une-type yakho. So nami ngangitha type yami style lena yabo.
And the legendary Mlazi t-shirt that nigga just took to another motherfucking level, that neon shit. Wey, keep us Mlazi dog, namanje basasikopela kodwa bazoshizile.
Namanje bra, ngifisi on ngama-order maningi even now afabe. Ngama-order maningi futhi ephara yabo. Iyona into ehamba phambili-ke futhi iyona into esakade sayiqala-ke. Kahle mina ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngi-fashion designer, ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngi-graphic designer because zonke lezi zinto engazenzela mina but akekho umuntu owafika wathi fisa lento yenziwa kanje mhlawumbe ngayele esikoleni because konke ngazama ukuyifundela ngabona ukuthi mengihambe ngithenga izinto ezithungiwe zabantu yabona zizibuye yabo zingangichaza kodwa ngibuye uthatha ikhathi yakhona ayikho right into engaqala ngayo ukuthunga ukuthi yilo i-bucket set ekhaya so from there so anything please.
Now we're onto like furniture and shit. Now my jackets. Wey, sazobangena dog. Usifisa uVirgil Abloh waselokishini. uVirgil Abloh waselokishini usifisa dog. Ambazo nya.
Yeah, futhi namaplanga bro. Ayi, lo planga ngibheki. Amadiyawenza WhatsApp because ngeke ngisho ukuthi kahle akekho umuntu othanda ukukhipha imali, akekho umuntu othanda ukukhipha imali. Ngibona ukuthi khona izinto ezibizayo isidemo singekho into futhi ungazenza yini because la ngiyami khona odwa bengazenzela khona ngihlala khona headboard khona usofa khona itafula yabo khona iningi sengikwenzile iningi
After this finisher, man, dog. So fast back clean, man, dog. Yeah, bro. Guys, that DarkHour page, bro, actually has quite a large following, over like 1,200 people, bro. And I feel like, we could be doing so much more with that following, dog. Ngiphi ipassword bagcina ngazokuthini kwafinisha kwasikhwama kwabani, dog. Hayibo bra abantu bayanceda ka, dog. What the fuck? Hayibo ngifake ngiyipersonalize nje la fan page, dog. Wesibaqine, dog. Ukuthi phela South Africa, dog, what I've noticed is ukuthi the online purchase thing ayikho like strong ngalendlela, but the online following is strong. Kukuwena ukuthi i-following yakho uyimonetize kanjani. You know what I mean? Like saying ukuthi if you post like iskipper somlazi, put your number on that picture. Be like, no, if you want this product, direct message or call. That is in South Africa the best way to monetize it, dog. Cause ngisho no spree, no ban, they're not really making that much money. Ukuthi nje, it's just cheaper than having a store. Yabo. But at the same time, they're not making that much money. Markham's is still making more money than Spree. Foschini is still making more money than Spree. But Spree probably has a larger following online. Yabo. But in Markham's, Leo following Leo abanayo encane bayazi no it's marketing. So you post a little look there, best you go to the store or you call this number or you direct message. And that's what I think is the best way to utilize following your DarkHour, dog. Because in over 1,000 followers on Facebook, over 1,000 followers on Instagram, over 1,000, like, dog, can you, dog, like, angazi no mhlampu no mods, no mhlampu fraud, no muyabaheka it, angazi no muyabaheka it. Kodwa nje, dog, like, the following is heavy, dog, and it's real. Like, Usifiso's like hood famous, dog. No mike Usifisa yakho ni cousin wakho, intombi yakho, usisi wakho, anti wakho, phila mngane wakho lo ungayithi mina ukahle, awulakule ngibuza Usifisa. Wesibaqine, dog. How the long way to
uyasebenza nje lo usebenza khona ukuthi engakwazi ukuthi kodwa
but so, you know, we all go through shit.
Yeah.
Khona umuntu oshizela usipanayo, khona umuntu oshizela oyisebenzayo. Phela nje uma uyisebenza, dog, you have to invest in yourself to a point where it's okay, fine. Mhlawumbe sikhona leyo madlana, fine, let me just go crazy with push online and just really go crazy with direct sales. Noma mhlawumbe uphande to a point where mhlawumbe usone like mhlawumbe tuck shop nyana. How's leyo tuck shop nyana fethu iyona engenisa imali just to pay for like Wi-Fi or pay for whatever and like not take a strain from imali oyitholayo for impahla. And I think that's how you grow. Like elinye ibhuda lami usanele Bryce oye temperature osephante in such a way ukuthi okay fine i-temperature dog usayipusha showcase, dog, but right now sesibane nemar comes with the custom bar, and that's like his 9 to 5 or yona into engenisa inyuku kahle ukubalances, but i-temperatures are on, dog. Uyambona nje ukhalidaji egqoke lo temperature Switzerland, dog yami, ngibona imali emkhulu kade egqoke i-temperature kwi-video, dog yabo. So if you're self-employed, dog, or mhlampe uphande leyo mali leyo, mhlampe uthola i-flat uzolirentisa uzongenisa inyuku, or uphande leyo mali leyo uthola i-taxify mfethu uzongenisa leyo madlana leyo, bro, that's the best level to a point where you are no longer self-employed. Soon abantu abakuthungelayo manje wena nje usudile nje ukuthi okay fine, I am Usfiso, so I am the face of this brand, and now we're doing clothes, and now we're doing furniture, and now we're doing cushions, and now we're doing this, and now we're doing that. Yabo. That is the best way ukusuka from self-employed to businessman, because now you're no longer dealing with the day-to-day hassle of ukuthunga. So dealing with manje okay fine, sengifuna iDarkHour ingene ka Edgars, or sengifuna iDarkHour ingene ka DIFF, or sengifuna iDarkHour ingene iDenses, and kancane iDarkHour izosuka from well yazi nesitolo bafunani. One, bafuna equality, and two, bafuna like stock. Showcase. And we are bonus like more 2,000 but no 6,000. You know what I mean?
We understand the gatekeepers like Mr. Price is like 80 rand, 90 rand.
Showcase.
Costing and because very funny. Like the more wins
the cheaper it is. Showcase. But like Pela, that's what I'm saying. To get to that level, dog, bafuna like bulk. Like, okay, fine, the 20 keepers they type, but can you make 6,000 of them? Yeah, but that's the difference between all of us. Yeah, but that is the ultimate game. Yeah, but to a point where okay, fine. Also upgrade like magic from Uspana with Omar comes soon stolo sako magic. And like bakhona abantu abanalelo mhlawumbe abanalelo ankelelo onemali ezobapha isitolo sawo yabona khona futhi bra singi stress naleso dog uma nesitolo sakho bra ungasijahi leso stress leso dog esingi stress dog esingi stress dog.
Because even now, I'm not in Shimen code, but yes, I'm order. Like now, I'm
like an industrial one.
I want buy it for the by
Apela, right now, dog, it's all about opening you for into ezo generator imali just to take care of yourself. Because the imali oyithola from products ingadedeka. Because I think you're living off of this shit, dog. And fine, uphile, but you have to hustle in such a way ukuthi okay, fine, senginalo mhlawumbe business line eliseceleni elingasayidenti imali yestock ukuze ngikwazi uku-afford mhlawumbe leyo mshini, ukuze ngikwazi uku-afford mhlawumbe leyo wifi leyo ngihlezi ngiconnect nama-customer ami, ukuze ngikwazi uku-afford yabo like kancane that I think
is bra about usfis design by Cindi or design by Cindi awenza like so kahle nezinto lezi engiyiphusha lezi zinto engiyidayisayo kusayizinto mhlawumbe izinto esuke ngicabanga ngaleso sikhathi yabo lezi eplanelwe akakathinta akakwenzi lutho yabo so because now my design on my computer wonke lama design lawa angakawaphi our conscious keepers for the same like there are more than 20 my design ukuthi mina ngithole abantu abaright
Apela, once you reach that level, you're no longer self-employed, you're businessman. Usuyathumela ukuthi uthungele nani
nje ukuthi mekwashaya leso sikhathi leso sengiyazi ngikhipha ishani zami sengiyazi vele kukhona ishani vele kade zalinda keepers showcase bami ngena ngami ukuthi esitolo bafuna izikipa zequality ngiyazi ukuthi ayina ayinto ekuzongena ngiyobona ngesikhathi umuntu like umuntu uphuma kude umuntu uphuma kude futhi usazi wakho
phela dog ukuphanda kuphela yabo ile nto ngisho ukuthi ngisho makusu usunesitolo sakho dog usazokhala kanje uthi fuck yabo manje sengicama ukufranchise ngivula isitolo esesibili what stress asipheli dog yabo ukuphanda kupheli dog uzosenza ukuthi ukuthi nje istress esihlukile ustressa usunemoto nendawo okuhlala nani but you're still stressed out akulaleke ebusuku fuck fine ngenze show sengimo designer noma for show Paris Fashion Week manje for boshise manje yabo so deal no Louis Vuitton manje so deal no babo fuck i-pressure ipheli dog yabo yeah phela nje bethu you know it's at your own pace dog now nokuthi uyibona ukephi. You know what I mean? Because the only person stopping you is you, dog. 90% of the time. Yeah. Where no chela ukuthi ungenza.
Most of the time if it's ilokho bra and futhi uyangishaya because
awekho ungashawa ilokho.
Mina bra ngilo muntu lo othanda ukunika umuntu into nami ngisatisfied ngayo yabona. Ngeke kunganika umuntu into engirobhile yabona nginike like i-cover art mina engathanda engibona ukuthi mina kodwa yena mebona ukuthi yini hayi akulule ukuthi kodwa kufanele ngenze mina ngizingile right oh man ona mama ngenze isikhathi bese yena sithi angiboni ukuthi kuzofanele ngisenze yabona kodwa ngeke ngikwazi angithandi yona into ebuyingilayo ukuthi ngibona ukuthi because baningi abantu abarepresent yabo so umuntu usekipa adayisa igift asamajaja kodwa lo muntu akwazi ukuthunga. What if lo muntu lo eba big kuzokwenzakalana? Shothi uzaqhubeka
uzogcina sentshontshe phela ama-agents
vele ukuthi kwenziwa kanjalo because ekugcineni yabo because like bafika abantu athi mhlawumbe umuntu siyayisa igama mhlawumbe umlasi yabo njengabantu abadayisa mhlawumbe iskipa esibhalwe igama kuphela and then uzohamba nalo gama kuyoze kube yabo yonke into yakhe sizoyifaka yonke into yakhe ngeke azabe neskipa esihlukile esingabhaliwe ngale ndlela eseyidivine because mina angena lo muntu othanda izinto ezikanjalo ezinto because most izinto zami futhi like limited keep zami limited ama-bucketed limited like almost everything is limited
like akujwayelekile ukuthola ama-parrots wafanayo
look ngaphandle nokuthi kufike ikhaphu noma ngaphandle ukuthi senzele ikhaphu nakhona ngeke azafana azohlwa kancane because khona
first
mhlawumbe uzohlwa ngesitishi noma uhlwa ngogolini angazi mhlawumbe ngogolini yeah
Sasha tokasoba ngena bro
sibangena
usivele phela bethi inyuke
inyuke
taka
inkinga ukuthi nakhona ngeke ukuthi ngizoseva le mali ngeke useve idradi ungena ukuthi ephaketheni that's true owazi lalo dleni so now uzofanele ubone nobhakuza ngeke ukuthi unedradi idradi inyanga yonke nje lokuhlanganisa ngamadoda yafana lo nto okay asithi-ke manje yona into engishaya kakhulu I can reach a man of you
don't believe the hype, so you out for the night. Turn it with the besties, stress free. Let's see, hair's done, nails did, face beat, sexy. Met a new man, but he really ain't your type. Don't feel guilty, I like what you like. Me, I'm low key, don't need no attention. I came through the exits, smoking a drink, any temperature per track. Hopefully, someone's listening. Shit, nigga, we need them sponsors. We need that finance. We need that moolah. Kodwa akhulato kamsoba finesse dog
lapho ngacheka nepage yami ungitshela ukuthi wena ungasiza ngani yabo yini ongangisiza ngayo
but simple so what you can do is just let them know about like where they can contact you by like your Instagram page, your Facebook page, Twitter or like
kodwa nje official case
ngifuna ubezwe ngabo wena abatshele wena mina ngizoposh.
Okay, like you can follow me on Instagram, DarkHour SA, and then also we on Facebook, DarkHour SA, and then yeah, and you like ngangithola WhatsApp.
Yeah, bakapho inamba yakho.
Na WhatsApp ngangithola 067 06 32 007 067 06 32 007.
Reporting live Ngakini, sponsored by our love.
Okunye ade ngifuna ukusho ukuthi njengoba lo nkampani yami ivumile wonke umuntu ukuthi ngimenze noma yena ngiyacabanga ukuthi khona umuntu ofisa ukuba ne-clothing line kodwa manje akazi ukuthi afanele aqale ngakiphi from designs
or like they need a designer.
Yeah, not like a designer. Akazi uzoqala yabo njengokuthi umuntu uzofika afika negama akanayo logo akanayo ID ukuthi uzokwenza usenkonjani angeza mina ngamenzele ilogo menzele style menzele basically yonke into
akakhiphe nje inyuku
yes so right khona i-team mhlawumbe ngisi for example i-team edansayo mekuthi bafuna
like branding.
Yeah. From mekuthi bafuna ama-jacket bafuna i-cape ma-blue into abayifunayo nje faka amagama so i-DarkHour kuyisipadi like nezinye inkampani nabanye abantu bafuna ukwenza izibhali
Hopefully the right people are listening. With the moolah, holla at DarkHour SA, motherfucker, on Instagram. Where the bitch is at? Holla at me. Sponsored by all of our reporting live again. Shout out to your producer to Sabel. Shout out to Bonko, shout out to Cino, shout out to Radio DR, sponsored by all of us. Your boy Umche holding it down.
Shout out to Umlazi.
Shout out to Umlazi Wonk, shout out to Amalogish Wonk. Nasentuzuma sazofika, na uMash sazofika, nasehama still. Shout out to Bonko Mkaya. Matatele se tututu. That's a show and that's a B show. So there's a franchise coming to a hood near you. DarkHour, Ngakini, March.
Wona bafethu lapho sibhekike lona mthibhekana inkap zonke siphelele lana and radio DR
Don't believe the hype, so you out for the night. Turn up with the besties, stress free. Let's see. Hair's done, nails did, face beat sexy. Met a new man, but he really ain't your type. Don't feel guilty, I like what you like. Me, I'm low key, don't need no attention. I came through the exit, smoking and drinking. Temperature, proud track suit on my hue. Hang around with me, make your man lose his cool. Too fly, the kid, the chemistry stupid. Young fly Jedi, young jumbo Yega bomb ball, started smoking the air. You doing your thing, independent and flexing, thinking, escaping with me is the best thing. I can get you anything, met you like
style, and I'm not getting style. I'm still style. Style, and I'm not getting style. I'm still style. More food, I'm in love. Daily style, and I'm not daily style. I'm still daily style. More food, I'm in love. Daily style, and I'm not daily style. I'm still daily style. More food, I'm in love.
I can get you anything that you like.